page templates in Notion, or how to create new pages based on work you've already done. On our 100-day journey to learn Notion, we've looked at template buttons, and today the time has come to look at pages and how to use templates to create pages easier. As we all know, whenever we create a new page in Notion, we get a template gallery to pick from. But how did those templates end up there? Well, as it turns out, any page in Notion can be shared as a template. Let's do that now. We'll simply click Share to Web, and then, as you can see, the Allow Duplicate as Template is already pre-selected. As long as that's selected, we allow anyone with access to the link to duplicate our page and use that as a template for new pages. We copy the link and go to a browser and see how that looks. So here we have our template page. If we click the duplicate icon here, we get the option to log in to Notion, and if we do, we will get a new page based on that template. That's great, but it seems a bit cumbersome if we just want to reuse our own work. So how do we do that? Well, let's create a new page that we intend to use as a template. We use template in square brackets here to signify that. So if we look at the share menus and the triple dot menu, there aren't actually any options to turn it into a template. What we can do is lock the page, meaning we want to avoid accidentally changing it. We can choose to lock it or keep it unlocked, it doesn't matter. If we look in the sidebar and look at the triple dot menu of the page there, we actually have a duplicate option. So by duplicating our template, we get an instance of that. So we get a new page which looks exactly the same as the old one. And the little issue with locking it here is that we need to unlock it again. After unlocking it, we can change the page and we can adjust it to whatever we want. And as you can see, the duplicated content is already there and gives us a good start. Alright, going back to the template pages, we can see our template with the square brackets and our two instances, my instance and the second instance. And that's basically it. So, as it turns out, any page in Notion can be used as a template simply by duplicating it. Hope you enjoyed the journey today. We learned how to share a page as a template and also how to use pages as templates internally simply by duplicating them. Thank you for joining and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.